Hello everyone. In this video, we'll explain about the Lightwell RGB LED and the button feature present in the Nordic Thingy 52 IoT sensor. Nordic Thingy 52 is provided with two user interfaces. One is the Lightwell RGB LED, other is the button. Both user interfaces can be accessed, monitored and controlled by the app in the VI section. Buttons can be viewed on the top of the thingy. Lightwell LEDs can be viewed clearly in the bottom view. Button can be in the three states: press state, release state, and unknown state when the button is not used. The schematic of the button is shown. When button is pressed, switch 2 is closed. When the button is released, switch 2 is open. Hello everyone. In this video, we'll explain about the Lightwell RGB. The LED is a two-LED semiconductor light source. It's a special type of diode and they have similar electrical characteristics of a PN junction diode. Hence, the LED allows the flow of current in the forward direction and blocks the current in the reverse direction. LED is simply a diode. When the diode is forward biased, the electrons are moving from N type to the P type and it combines with the holes, then it disappears. Hence, it makes the complete atom and more stable and it gives a little burst of energy in the form of photon of light. The working principle of the LED is based on the quantum theory. The quantum theory states that when the electron comes down from the higher energy level to the lower energy level, then the energy emits from the photon. As the flow of electrons is in the direction of current, there will be recombination due to the flow of these charge carriers. This will emit the electromagnetic energy in the form of photons, and the photon energy is equal to the forbidden energy gap. The LED is a light emitting diodes are made from exotic semiconductor compounds such as gallium arsenide, gallium phosphide, gallium arsenide phosphide, silicon carbide, gallium indium nitride, all mixed together at different ratios to produce a distinct wavelength of color. Different LED compounds emit light in specific regions of the visible light spectrum and therefore produce different intensity levels. The exact choice of the semiconductor material used will determine the overall wavelength of the photon light emissions and therefore resulting color of the light emitted. This table shows the different colors are produced for different semiconducting material. For instance, let us consider gallium arsenide. It produces large infrared radiation of little brightness. To enhance the color intensity, phosphide is topped with it and thus we get bright red. Similarly, when other semiconductor materials are mixed in different ratios, other colors are produced. Now let us see how color changing LED are produced. The color changing LED is not first made up of single LED but the combination of three LEDs: red, green, blue. When red LED is alone turned on, red LED is produced. Similarly, when blue LED is turned on, blue light is produced. When both the LEDs are turned on, it produces the combination of red and blue color and thus purple color is displayed in the LED. Again, when red and green LED is turned on, yellow color is produced. By varying the red, green, blue color in different ratios, other different colors are produced. It can be varied between 0 to 225 values. When all colors are set to 2, now let us see how color changing LED are produced. The color changing LED is not first made up of single LED but by the combination of three LEDs: red, green, blue. When the red color is alone turned on, red LED is produced. Similarly, when the blue LED is turned on, blue light is produced. But when both the LEDs are turned on, it produces the combination of red and blue color and thus purple color is displayed in the LED. Again, when the red and green LED is turned on, yellow color is produced. By varying the red, green, blue color in different ratios, other different colors are produced. It can be varied between 0 to 255 values. When all the colors are set to 255, white color is displayed. The hexadecimal values of red, green, blue color values are displayed in the Nordic Thingy app. Now let's see about the hardware description of LED. Nordic Thingy has 3 sets of RGB LEDs, in which 2 sets of RGB LEDs are used to light up the light well. Another RGB LED is located near the color sensor and is used as an auxiliary light for the color. The transistor used here is DMP2200UDW. It is used as a switch. It is a dual p-channel enhancement mode MOSFET. When VGS is greater than threshold voltage, transistor acts as a closed switch and it starts conducting and the LED glows. When transistor acts as an open switch and it will not conduct and the LED does not glows. It is used for high switching performance. It is widely used in battery disconnect switch and is used in load switch for power management functions. There are 6 pins in this transistor, namely source 1, source 2, gate 1, gate 2, drain 1, drain 2. You can see the top view of this transistor. We can make thingy to blink an LED, turn on an LED constantly or a one-shot color. Using thingy app, you can view the different colors. Now let's see about the hardware description of LED. Nordic thingy has 3 sets of RGB LEDs. The user interface service allows you to interact with the LED and the button on thingy. Only one mode can be active at a time. Off mode. The LED is turned off completely and the thingy will remain in off mode while disconnected. There is no configuration for this mode. Constant mode. The LED stays on, but once disconnected, the mode turns off. For iOS and Android, there is red, green, and blue value sliders that allows you to change the color of the LED. Breath mode. The LED fades in and out at a given interval, but turns off after thingy is disconnected. For iOS and Android, you can choose from one of the preset colors. Adjust the light intensity and increase or decrease the breath delay. One shot mode. The LED fades in, then out once, then remains off indefinitely. For iOS and Android, you can select the color of the LED and adjust the light intensity in the settings. This mode does not persist while disconnected.
Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.